Hi, I'm Cheryl Leach. In this problem, we're asked to find the equation of the line that's tangent to my curve, sine of 8x, at the point pi 0. Well, in order to get the equation of a line, I need two things. I need the slope of the line, and I also need one point on the line. So let's start with the slope. I know that this line needs to be tangent to my curve. So when I'm trying to find the slope of a line that's tangent to a curve, I'm looking for the derivative. So the slope is going to be the derivative. So how do I take the derivative of the sine of 8x? Well, again, I'm looking for the main operation here. I see a multiplication operation, but there's also a sine function. And the sine is the operation that encompasses the entire function. So I'm going to begin with that. The derivative of the sine is the cosine. So I have the cosine of 8x. Now, this is actually a composite function, so I'm not done yet. I need to use the chain rule to multiply by the derivative of that inside piece. So that means I also need to multiply by 8. So my slope is going to be 8 times the cosine of 8x. Now this will get me the slope of any tangent line. I'm interested in the one that happens at the point pi 0. So I'm going to plug in pi. So at pi 0, my slope is going to be 8 times the cosine of 8 pi. Now 8 pi is coterminal to 2 pi, and the cosine of 2 pi is going to be 1. And so I have 8 times 1, which is 8. So I know the slope of my line is 8. The next thing I require is the point. Well, that one's easy because it was given to me. I know it passes through the point pi 0. The last thing to do is put it all together and get the equation of a line. Well, I know that I can get the equation of a line by using the point-slope formula, which is y minus y1 equals the slope times the quantity x minus x1. Filling in the appropriate information, I have y minus 0 equals my slope, which is 8, times the quantity x minus pi. So y is going to equal 8x minus 8 pi. And that's the equation of my tangent line through the point pi 0. I hope that helped. Thanks.